To make this pretty wavy edging, what we're going to do is we are going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the first chain is going to represent a double crochet. Then what we're going to do is we're going to slip stitch. Then we're going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then we're going to slip stitch again. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to make a double crochet to end that little group. So we've got that little group sitting in our chain space there. So next what we're going to do is we're going to make a double crochet into the middle of this cluster. So that will be this stitch here, and the chain above it here is where we're going to put our hook, making our double crochet. Next we're going to make a double crochet into our next chain space here, followed by chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into that same space, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slip stitch again into that same chain space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now we're going to make a double crochet to close that little group there in that chain space. And moving on into the middle of the next cluster, we are going to make a double crochet and then a double crochet into the next chain space, followed by chain 3, 1, 2, 3, making a slip stitch, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, making another slip stitch, all into this same chain space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and close this little group with a double crochet. And that's us finished working in that chain space. Moving on to the middle, we're going to insert our hook and make a double crochet. And there's our little pattern emerging. These beautiful little groups, these little waves we've made. I'm going to continue this decorative edging all the way around. I hope you had fun with this, and thanks for watching.